guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Now I am here with rapid fire question 17 and today's question is, what is immunoglobulin fold or immunoglobulin domain? And this is the rapid fire question series for PhD entrance exams and interviews. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So basically the immunoglobulin fold or immunoglobulin domain is a protein domain that consists of a two-layer sandwich of 7 to 9 antiparallel beta strands arranged in 2 beta sheets. So what is immunoglobulin fold or immunoglobulin domain? Basically, it is a protein domain. First of all, it is a protein domain and it contains 7 to 9 antiparallel beta strands. So here you can see in this picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 antiparallel beta strands are here arranged. And 9 antiparallel beta strands are here connected by loops and they are arranged in 2 beta sheets. So first sheet is this, which is containing the yellow one, and this is the second beta sheet which is containing this red one. So here 2 beta sheets are there, one is this yellow, one is this red, and here total 7 to 9 antiparallel beta strands are there. So they are making here the two-layer sandwich they are making here because they are arranged in 2 beta sheets. It contains 125 amino acids. So total 125 amino acids are there in this immunoglobulin fold. So the 7 to 9 antiparallel beta strands, they are containing here 125 amino acids. Now the question that came in DBT BET JRF 2012, it was the immunoglobulin fold is made up of A. 7 alpha helical segments. So it is a big no because we know that beta sheets are there in immunoglobulin fold. So A is a big no. B. A beta barrel. No, because we know that beta sheets are there. C and D. C is a sandwich of 2 parallel beta sheets. This is also no because we have seen that 2 antiparallel beta sheets were there. D, a sandwich of 2 antiparallel beta sheets. So they have 2 antiparallel beta sheets. This is the answer. So answer will be D.